财神到，财神到，朋友圈刷爆。财神他，财神他，欢迎你来到。财神到，财神到，快快去攀他，出手不要太慢，做大赢家。财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到，朋友圈刷爆。财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到，财神到。转头过一年，匆匆忙忙，常挂嘴边的事我太难料。致富时跳出，余额不足，财神快快降临，把它冲爆。爆竹声声响，财神来到，加满你超能力，惊喜到爆。快快眯上眼，许个愿望，平安是我心愿，日子才爽。财神到，财神到，朋友圈刷爆。财神他，财神他，欢迎你来到。财神到，财神到，快快去攀他，出手不要太慢，做大赢家。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
又翻开全新的篇章，财神爷帮你把财源满上，家里每一寸积灰擦亮，给香炉焚上交财福香，平安岁岁年年，新年好光景已到眼前，不需要我的万语和千言，一份约定保障你到永远，别想都要备好崭新的一套，款式跟着自己最佳的喜好，财神填满钱包说新年到，记得时刻都要对自己好，祝迎新家的团圆，盆满钵满，一起品味生活此般甘甜，财神把千家万户都走遍，留下你我相识共度欢颜。
财神到，财神他，朋友圈刷爆。财神他，财神他，欢迎你来到。财神到，财神到，快快去攀他，出手不要太慢，做大赢家。财神到，财神到，朋友圈刷爆。财神他，财神他，欢迎你来到。财神到，财神到，快快去攀他，出手不要太慢，做大赢家。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
About Chinese New Year, I know that it's in February, I think.
Yes.
And that each year you have like a different animal or something like that?
Yes, do you know?
Well, I know that each year is a different animal, and I know that this year is the year of the ox.
That there are 12 animals, and this year this is the ox.
Okay, I know a little bit that this year, 2021, is the ox year, and that there are a lot of different animals and every year is a different one.
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year, I know that this year is the year of the ox, and nothing more.
Okay, thank you.
That the new week is in February.
Tengo que hacer inglés en español, ¿no? Sé muy poco, sé que cada año es el año de un animal, ¿no? Un año yo creo que sí el del perro. Me dijo alguna vez alguna profesora que estuvo por aquí. Y eso es lo único que sé, que tiene el año otro día diferente al fin de año español y que también cada año se le dedica como a un animal distinto y ya no sé nada más. Y que se celebra muy por todo lo alto.
Gracias.
Nada, gracias a vosotros.
I know it is celebrated in February.
And you?
I know that are 12 animals in the zodiac.
And you?
I know that this year is the ox year.
And you?
I know I'm from the tiger year.
And what do you know about Chinese New Year?
I don't know very much. I know that it's not on the 1st of January like we have, it's in February. I know that the name of the year changes to the name of a different animal. You've got things like monkey and snake, and I think this year is ox. I know that you eat special food. Maybe you eat moon cakes, but maybe not. You do? You eat moon cakes and you have a special party, and it's really important in China. And that's about it. I don't know too much about it, but it looks very interesting and fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
New Year? It's in February. Something more? No? Okay, thank you.
I know that Chinese people celebrate in February the Chinese New Year. There are 12 animals, and this year is the ox.
Here?
That there are 12 animals and I'm of the tiger.
Thank you.
What is your zodiac animal? 你属什么？
我是牛。
我属兔。我属牛。我属兔。我属牛。Are you? 我属兔。我属兔。我属龙。我属子。我属兔。
我属猴。
我属虎。我属鼠。我属兔。
我属鸡。
我属兔。
我属兔。
我属马。
我属马。I'm who? 我属龙。我属龙。我属马。
我属龙。
我属蛇。属蛇。I am who? 我属兔。我属。My zodiac animal is the tiger.
What's mean?
It means quick, witted, resourceful, versatile, and kind.
Thank you.
My zodiac animal is the rabbit.
What's mean?
It means quiet, elegant, kind, and responsible.
Thank you.
My zodiac animal is a tiger, so I'm quick-witted, resourceful, and kind.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
My zodiac animal is the rat.
What's mean?
The rat means, it means that it's quick, witted, resourceful, versatile, and kind.
Okay, thank you.
My zodiac animal is the horse.
What's mean?
It means animated, active, and energetic.
Thank you.
谢谢.
My zodiac animal is the snake.
What's mean?
The snake means enigmatic, intelligent, wise.
Thank you.
Animal is the ox.
What's mean?
It means diligent, dependable, strong, and determined.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My zodiac animal is the dragon, and the dragon means confident, intelligent, and enthusiastic.
Thank you.
Bye.
My zodiac animal is the ox.
What's mean?
It means that I am diligent and dependable, strong and determined.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So my zodiacal animal is the pig, and it means compassionate, generous, and diligent.
Okay, thank you. Ahora sí, mi animal es el perro y las características son cariñoso, honesto y prudente.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Do you know what is the meaning of your zodiac animal?
Pues sí, mi animal en el calendario chino es el conejo. Efectivamente, porque corresponde con mi fecha de nacimiento, con mi año de nacimiento.
¿Sabes cuál es su significado?
Bueno, gracias a unos amables alumnos del colegio, me han enseñado algunas características de las personas que nacieron en el año del conejo.
¿Y cuáles son?
Pues según pone aquí, son personas calmadas, tranquilas, elegantes, amables y responsables.
¿Crees que esas características se asemejan a ti?
Pues creo que sí. Al menos la mayoría de ellas o bastantes de ellas, yo diría que sí. Al menos me gustaría serlo.
Pues muchas gracias.
Gracias a vosotros.
Adiós.
Y feliz año nuevo.
What is the meaning of your zodiac animal?
Pues mi animal es el mono y sus características son es que es muy inteligente, curioso y fuerte.
¿Crees que estas características se asemejan a ti?
Un poco.
Gracias.
Nada.
What do you wish for the year of the ox?
For the year of the ox, I wish that the COVID goes away. And there's no more COVID. Okay?
The year of the ox, well, I hope, like everyone else, I guess that COVID goes away finally. We all get vaccinated and we can go back to going to the beach, to go playing, to going to museums, to having lots of fun and having friends over as well. That's what I wish.
For the year of the ox, I wanna pass the C1 in Cambridge. Hope that this coronavirus thing ends.
To me and my friends. Well, just to be happy, to have fun, and summer is soon coming. That's what I wish. Okay, enjoy with my family, and I hope the best for you. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
What do I wish? I wish to have a good year, that COVID finally lets us a little bit of space and free, and to see my friends, my family, and ski in Sierra Nevada. Thank you.
Wow! I wish the best for all of my kids, okay? And I hope that the people be more positive. I hope that, our health will be good, okay? And I hope that we will escape better and to practice sports or whatever in our leisure time, and that we can be together more, okay? And that we can make hiking, okay? Yes or no? Good, good. That's fine? Nice, love you.
Good animal and it's going to be great for us.
To finish with the coronavirus, especially. Yes, that's my wish.
For the year of the ox, I want to be able to travel like I've always been doing. Probably going to China.
我希望考过HSK5级的考试。
Okay, I wish health for everybody.
I wish no having any diseases this year, no more COVID. I wish to make a regular life like in the other years. That's my main wish.
Que desaparezca este virus y que bastantes vidas se cobradas.
Para el año nuevo, que desaparezca el virus y que volvamos otra vez a la vida normal que teníamos en 2019.
The year of the ox. Is it the year of the ox? Cool. What do I wish for? I don't want to be obvious and wish for the end of coronavirus, so I'm going to wish for something else. I'm going to wish for. I'm going to wish for everybody to still be at this school this time next year. What about that? Okay.
我是Julia Nián快乐。
你好，我是Nico，身体健康。
我是Daniela，形象实诚。你好，我叫Noelia，学习英语。我是Marta Nián大吉。我是Sofia，王诗如。
我是Liwa，我是Carmen，恭贺新年，恭喜发财。
我叫美丽，我是9